Clicking noise from joints, especially from the knee. It is a very common finding. Sometimes we feel that when we move our elbow or knee like this, there is a clicking noise. And most of the time there is no pain, there is no swelling, there are no other symptoms. Don't worry, this is very common and this is natural also. There are 3 or 4 main causes for clicking noise. First is, inside our joint we have air, and in that air we have tiny bubbles. So those bubbles are of nitrogen. So when we move, there is a release of those bubbles or gases that can lead to clicking noise. This is the most common reason for clicking noise in case of knee joints or any other large joint like hip. Secondly, situations where there is a snapping of muscle. Supposing a muscle is passing like this. When a muscle is passing like this and there is a movement, that muscle might snap over one of the bony prominence. So even that can cause snapping voice or clicking noise. Thirdly, because of the reasons like plica, which is a layer in the knee, there might be a clicking noise. Fourthly, in situations when there is a gross osteoarthritis and there are osteophytes formation. Then also because of those small bony projections, whenever we try to move the knee or any other joint, it might cause a clicking noise. If there is no swelling, no pain, don't worry. These clicking noises are harmless. However, if they are very frequent, what you should do is, you should do frequent warm-ups. Basically, before going for exercise, you should do regular warm-up. Secondly, you should do muscle strengthening exercises, any exercise that you want. And thirdly, if during extremes of rotation or flexion or extension, that is the movement of the knee or any other joint, if there is a clicking noise and it causes pain, then you should avoid that movement. But otherwise, clicking noise in knee or any other joint is perfectly normal and it is not indicative of any disease, especially arthritis. What you should do is, for your normal joint strength, you should have calcium, vitamin D or any other sort of supplement that you want to have. And don't worry about these clicking noises. Thank you.